How to send USDT from OKX Wallet to Metamask. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can easily send USDT from OKX Wallet to Metamask. So first, you need to open up your OKX Wallet and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in here, you're just going to have to scroll down and find USDT. Once you have it, just swipe up top here to select a network. You can go with BNB Smart Chain or Solana, depending on your choice. And from here now, you can just tap on Send. Now you will be asked to enter a receiving address. To get the receiving address, you're going to have to go to your MetaMask application. And here, all you need to do is make sure that you have USDT added. If you don't have it, you can just go to Deposit Token after scrolling down and search for BNB Smart Chain first to select a network. And if you haven't already, you can import tokens for USDT and then tap on Next. And tap on Import, and then from here you can tap on the Receive Token option. And after that, you'll have your wallet address right here. So copy the receiving address and go back to OKX Wallet, paste the address here, and then tap on Confirm. Now enter the amount that you want to send, and then you should be able to transfer USDT from OKX Wallet to Metamask. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.